Let's see how we can easily download and install the RedNote app. So if you're looking for a TikTok alternative, then RedNote is the app you want to download. It's becoming very popular, and you can easily download and install it on Android for free. But before we start with the tutorial, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more helpful tutorials like this one. The first step in this whole process is to open the Google Play Store on your Android device and then go over to the search bar. In here, we'll want to type RedNote and then hit enter on your keyboard. You'll get a bunch of different apps in the search results, but the app that we're looking to download looks like this. It's got a red icon with some Chinese letters on it, and I'm going to make sure to leave this app download link in the description of this video so you can download and install the correct application. So I'm going to tap on this install button right here, and then simply wait a couple of minutes until the app downloads from my app store. And after it downloads and installs onto my Android device, I can simply open the app and then start using it. If you don't know how to create your RedNote account and set up other things related to the app, I have a RedNote playlist in the description of this video so you can go check out the playlist and you will then see how to use the app, how to set up your account, and how to get started. That's essentially how you can get RedNote for Android. Thanks a lot for watching everyone, and I'll see you soon.